I think I have to sneeze. Ugh, that was an ugly one, sorry. Anyway, what do we do now? And then we go in here and we put